ladies. I made my way to class to meet my new teacher. Little did I know I had already met him. I was pleased with...
Second down! I'd like to welcome two new faces this term, Charlie Underwood, and meet your new teacher, Mr. Brock.
I was pleased Mr. Brock was a cool teacher. The next month went by fairly uneventfully. Then one day, Yale and I were doing the registers, and I finally met T.J. Carver.
Whoa, watch me on going. You should be.
That was the first incident. The second was during assembly. The third was during a game of bulldogs on the playground. We were all playing when TJ decided to target me. He came hurtling towards me, and we collided. Somehow he fell behind me as I hit my head on the floor. He was furious, like a big lumbering monster.
I'll get you
That
back,
night,
fellas.
whilst nursing the bump on my head, I told my little brother a bedtime story.
What's today's story then, Charlie? Let's see.
The story was how the Wumpa Snicker Snacker terrorized the people of the village, and a crazy young lad named Charlie fought the creature. It was a battle like no other. Charlie's secret weapon was a feather duster. He shoved it up the monster's nose. The creature sneezed and shivered down to death. He was the hero of the village. Unfortunately, I couldn't spend all day living in my own head. I had to return to school, where things were becoming worse between me and TJ. There was the music lesson.
Why? He's really annoying me. TJ, can you please make time for this, please?
I am 4 eyes.
Stop calling me that!
You look so
The lesson went okay, but the last 10 minutes was replay and TJ managed to lure me into the deep end, but I almost drowned. After this incident,
Are you okay, Charlie? I'm alright. He owes me an apology.
I've done anything.
Say sorry!
Never.
I was very angry. So angry, I sat down to write into the story. The story about pirates. It was a swashbuckling adventure about young Charlie Hot who defeated a band of pirates led by the deadly Blackheart.
Our last. We've come to take over.
Never!
Die, you dastardly villain! Charlie poisoned Blackheart and did something extra in his drink. This was just a story, just a flight of fantasy. This happened a lot. TJ and I got into an argument in the local line. He stole my books and reported my brother. This resulted in TJ punching my nose, which then resulted in a dream I had being a superhero. In the dream, I was a superhero with speed, strength, and agility. I was up against a thing called Cavron, who attacked the school and children. Go, Charlie, go, go, he exclaimed. Charlie revealed his superhero costume and flew around Cavron. He saved the children and his school. What a superhero he was.
I'll try both. Wake up, show us off today. Okay, for show and tell today, Charlie has brought in his guitar. Go on then, Charlie, tell us about it. Well, this is the body, the head, the pickups, the bridge, the vibrato. I can play you something if you want to
TJ interested in something I was interested in? How bizarre. I ended up giving TJ a spare guitar mat so he could learn. Then he calmed down slightly after this, until one day, straight out with a Jordan, decided to kidnap him and steal the school's PE.
Get in! What's happening? What's going on? You all run! Where are you going out? Let's go faster! Guys! No, you're gonna go on us! Stop in the house!
Proof and I were practically terribly wrong yesterday, leading to our teenager being killed and others badly injured. Jordan Bates was killed, crashing into a ditch, having stolen the school field.
Very sad day for the school today. Our thoughts are with the family, and in particular TJ, who lost his brother last week. Look after each other, boys and girls.
Time passed. Things felt different. Charlie and I resolved our differences and prepared for final day at school. Charlie gave me a guitar lesson and we performed together in our final assembly. It was pretty cool. And it was time to go home.
Congratulations.